these kids that want to do TREN,
Bro, stop with the TREN. I
these
just want that
kids
to
are
stop.
brave. What color is it?
Like orange.
Burnt orange.
Yeah.
It is liver toxic.
It's like the worst thing.
It's like the worst thing. Literally says it. This is for advanced and lower barrier of entry. People going to the gym, they want to get jacked, this and that. You know, they see the reward, but they don't see like, I take this, and you know why they cough, right? It's because they have to put so much benzyl alcohol in that shit to keep it stable. The risk versus reward, like, I don't know, man. Like,